What's up? So, name of the game is making postcards. Um, I love this style of postcard, and there are countless examples of it. I was curious to find a digital solution to try to be able to take images and put them inside text. Of course, this one's painted, but how could we do it digitally? Canva proved not too helpful in that regard. So I'm using Pixlr. I'm going to go ahead and see 480, 672. I'm just going to. I'm just putting in some postcard dimensions. You could make the whole postcard in here. We'll have the rest of the assignment in Canva, I think, but you could do it in here, of course. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add my text. Okay. One thing that's really nice about Pixlr, and you'll see that's pixlr.com, is that they do have a bunch of fonts you can use, but what makes it special and really helpful for Chromebook users who have limited access to um, editing software, you can actually add your own font. If you get in here to add local font, you can put your own font in, which is super helpful. I'm just going to pick something in here um, for the sake of a lesson. Now you want to try to pick something kind of thick um, so that you can actually see the image inside of it. It's not bad. There's actually one I kind of like though. Let's see if I can find it real quick. I'm sure that I can. Here we go. Punch. I need to apply that to memory. Okay. I'll make this as big as I can. All right. So now I need the image um, that I want to put behind it. Now, if you go back to these, you'll see that they're putting different images in all of the letters. You could conceivably do that um, with these procedures. It would just need to be like one letter at a time, and it would be pretty dang time consuming, but awesome. So if anyone does that, um, you are cool. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. What do we want to put in our taco? Bell text. Yeah, how about this? Just array of food. I'm going to open this image in new tab and see if I can't get a big version of it so it looks nice. And I can, so copy image or control C. If I come back over here, I can just paste it in. Okay, you can tell that the image was bigger than the size of our canvas here. So I zoomed out here at the bottom so I could get in here and start to make this the size I want. Okay, now if you come over here to the right hand side, you can just click this layer and just drag it below your text. That way it's easier to see where things are. I think I'm going to do something like that, I guess. Again, for the purposes of this, it doesn't really matter. Okay, once I've done that, if I come up here to my text and click the three dots and go to blend mode and go to mask, it's gonna do it. Okay, I have my, and then I can still even go and move this around if I want to. Okay. I think maybe I do. Yeah, sure. All right. Now that'll do it, right? Okay. All right. So now I have it and I can save it. Save as. Okay. Now remember, this is a very small canvas. This is actually the size of a little postcard. So it's not really surprising that this is looking a little grainy. Um, Most of the time in Pixlr, when I start something new, I just usually start with this wide 1080p, especially if I'm just getting text with a transparent background. That's always plenty big to make sure that I've got um, nice looking titles and stuff. All right, so if I come over to Canva and we're just gonna put something up, just for the sake of fun, I'm gonna go ahead and put a background in. All right, elements. Sorry, uploads. Upload files. You'll see it's loading here. I can just drag it over. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now, the one thing we're kind of missing is, like a lot of them have the big blocky, um, like hard shadow off the side, um, and I think you could probably fake that pretty easily. I'm gonna try just quickly. I'm gonna go to edit photo. I'll go to adjust. I'm just gonna see if I can get this um, pretty dark. All right. And then at that point, let's see, I'll just put it here-ish. And then I'm going to position backward. Okay, so is it a perfect facsimile of this? Not at all. But is it totally doable and pretty dang cool and in the spirit of the thing? I think so. Okay. Okay, bye.